Pepsters, and welcome back to Pep Talk with Baron Geisler pa rin po tayo. Bago tayo nag-break, sinabi ko na magiging mas personal tayo kay Baron. Yun nga, Baron, tanong ko sa'yo kasi balikan natin yung Tabing Ilog days mo. Kasi may binanggit si Chris Aquino in one of her episodes. Sabi niya, ano pang meron dun sa tubig ng Tabing Ilog? At yung halos lahat ng mga nanggaling doon, ang gagaling umarte. So, dadaling ko nga si Bimby doon para makain ng tubig ng Tabing Ilog. Yun nga, sa batch nyo, ikaw, si John Lloyd Cruz, si Nadine Pauls Romana, mahuhusay ng mga artista, magaling gumanap sa mga characters nila. What is it about that, yung batch na yun?
There's a saying, I think galing kay Mr. M, na parang, yung kahit may itsura ka, pero yung talent, it can be honed. So, ang binigay sa amin ng channel na yun, ay maraming mga practice, maraming workshops. So, we really owe it to them. It's not the tubig ng Tabing Ilog. It's actually the production. It's the people behind the scenes, writers. It's about, it's because of our director or directors that really, they push us to the limit. And then, kung may talent na, siguro na, syempre, hindi ka kukunin na bilang artista. Hindi ka naman pwede maging magaling ka agad. Siguro may nakita sila na parang, pwede itong turuan, i-guide. So yun, it actually, Tabing Ilog is it was, para sa akin, a 4-year party.
4-year party. Hindi kayo nagtatrabaho talaga na parang parang it's all fun for you.
And then we learn from our mistakes, and we just love what we do, and we were really good friends. We loved each other. We loved our director. We loved the crew. We were all bonded talaga. And I believe it. Walang tatalo doon. For me, siya yung pinaka-coolest show na inilabas ng ABS-CBN ngayon. Sa mga edad sa era na yun. Sa generation.
So, sa tingin mo, if ABS-CBN tries to parang gumawa ng bagong version nun, do you think mare-replicate yung...
Hindi siya nothing, you can never replicate or duplicate something, but you can always make something better. But of course, depende yan sa mga henerasyon, kasi ngayon we're moving forward. Diba? Everything from technology, acting, art. We have different contemporary arts and other things going on. Sometimes you see na parang, is this really art or is this rubbish? You know what I mean? But yun lang. It's just we just have to keep on moving forward. And I believe that may kanya-kanyang may kanya-kanyang spot yan or limelight. We had our time. And magkakaroon na yan ng sunod-sunod na mga papalit o mas gagaling sa amin.
Tabing Ilog pa rin, kasi kanina sabi ko, making personal, tapos biglang bumalik din sa pagiging magaling na actor. Pero ito personal talaga. Kasi karamihan dun sa mga kabatch mo dun, or now are into serious relationships or pamilyado na. Ikaw?
Ano
ka ba ngayon? Kumusta? In short, kumusta love life mo? Doon lang talaga ako pupunta Pinaano ko lang Kumusta na?
Sarap kumain yan.
Biglang hindi pa rin yung usapan eh.
Ano na. Ang love life, wala akong love life. Break lang namin. Actually, may poem ako dinala para may ginawa ako habang nasa set. Basahin ko sa'yo mamaya.
Oh, mamaya.
Dear Kuya Romel. Parang ganun yun.
Dapat may rosas dito.
Tapos may background
May
music.
background. Pero hindi, yun nga. Ano feeling mo na yung mga
No, I'm happy that they have kids. Me, I don't know if I have kids out there. Not that I know of. But
Teka, you don't know if you have kids out there, ha?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero ano ga?
But so far I'm still a bachelor, and I'm having fun taking care of my mom. She's sick. I live, kasama ko yung sister ko ngayon, and I just love taking care of my nieces, mga pamangkin ko. So pakiramdam ko parang tatay na rin ako. Kasi naalagaan ko sila. Tapos ako rin yung padre de pamilya sa ngayon. So I think mas malaking responsibilidad yun na alagaan ko yung nanay ko. Kesa unahin ko muna yung sarili ko. Kasi ang problema, pag inuuna ko parati sarili ko sa pagmamahal, doon ako nasisira. Tapos doon ako bumabalik sa alcohol. At return of the comeback ako parati, di ba? Babalik, parang palitaw.
Pero how are you now, without the alcohol?
Who said without the alcohol? Palabas nga tayo.
Moderate na alcohol.
Hindi, loko lang. Hindi. I'm really working my butt off. Trying my best, doing my best. Not trying, but I'm doing my best to stay away from alcohol, stay away from bad people, and just cherishing the moment. Yung experiencing love na parang yung hindi siya yung love na gusto mong i-grab. Kasi the more you grab love or that person, lalong lalayo at matatakot eh. So right now, I'm trying to understand love pa lang. And then eventually, pag nakuha ko na yung, nakita ko na yung reflection ng love sa akin at yung love at reflection nun, eventually I will become my own being talaga na I would understand who Baron Geister is talaga.
Sabi mo you just came from a breakup. Ano to? Non-showbiz? Non-showbiz ba?
Showbiz.
Hindi, dito no? Hindi, pare, ano mo,
alam mo si Romel, ano eh,
pabila, para
yeah, gaya sa breakup, pero we're really good friends.
Hindi siya showbiz.
Hindi showbiz yung answer na yun.
Hindi, yung girl.
Related siya sa
industry.
She's a news anchor sa isang network. Yeah. Magaling siya, matalino. Dami ko natutunan sa kanya. Namimiss ko siya. Pero you have to let go eh. And maybe later on,
Who knows, diba?
it'll just slide right in back. She might slide right back in my arms.
Eh, ikaw, di ba, ano bang hinahanap mo? Yung the one para sa'yo.
Si Neo?
Hindi, yung the one. Yung the one you'll end up with for the rest of your life.
I need to take care of my mom first, actually. Take care of myself. Love myself more. Respect other people. Respect them more. I think it's really not figuring out who you are or what you love, but it's how alam mo yun, yung parang kung paano mo i-accept ang lahat ng mga bagay at yung just understand people. Love them unconditionally, no matter what.
Just like
Tapos babalik din sa'yo. It's like love begets love. Diba? Respect begets respect. Parang gano'n.
And
I'm a work in progress, bro. I'm a work in progress. But hopefully, pagdating ko ng 23,
22 ka lang ngayon.
yeah.
Ako nga, kaya 18 ko lang. Hindi, yun nga, with your mom, you're doing a good job right now.
Yeah, she's very happy.
She's very happy. And right now, she's your word na muna.
Yes.
Dahil you have to take care of her. So,
We
kumusta na siya
actually
ngayon?
take care of each other. Hindi lang siya one-sided.
So, kumusta na siya ngayon? Yung health niya?
Medyo payat, but she's happy. She's happy to see me, go through these things na medyo nagmamature na. I'm really doing my best.
Nabanggit mo kanina, yung you're into writing poems. Saka may nabanggit din sa akin na hindi masyadong alam ng mga fans ni Baron or siguro ilan yan nakakaalam na you're an artist.
I'm
Papakitaan mo raw kami ng ano eh. Pero bago mo gawin yan,
stick figure.
bago mo gawin yan, magbabalik
Lahat kayo.
mo ang pep talk.
Ito na kami. Yung katabing painting ng Amor Solo niya. Painting ko.
Wow.
Bahay ni Dieter.
Inano
Bahay ni Dieter Rambo.